Teach yourself visually, Microsoft Office 365. We're on PowerPoint. Chapter 14, populating presentation slides. Populating is a computer word we use to, if you have an empty of something, you put stuff in it. So we use it lots for populating a database, for example, but that's what populating means. And we're going to populate our PowerPoint slides. Add and edit slide text. This is the staff, what's this called? Staff training PowerPoint that you can open. Right now it says staff education. Notice that it already has a set of slides and we'll work with some of them. That's the thumbnails view. And here we're going to work on our slide in normal view or edit view. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, I could change the zoom on the slide if I needed to work in some particular area of it, but I don't. So I'm going to put it back to seeing the whole slide. Yeah, like that. Okay. There are two, this is a title slide layout, title slide. They can be different. There's one where the titles are at the bottom. It's really crazy, but whatever. If you don't like one, you can make your own. So there are two placeholders. A placeholder is a place to put something. And there are two of them, one for the title and one for the subtitle. The title of this one is currently Staff Education. We're going to change that in just a second. And the subtitle is empty. It's also set to right align. I don't know if you can see that down there. See the insertion bar? It's on the right-hand side of the line. And again, different themes and different templates do it different ways. If you don't like it, you can change it. But as a template, maybe it's easier just to work with it the way it is. And they want us to type using the payroll system. Now you would think you should press the enter key like we do other times, but you don't. This is PowerPoint, you don't. If you press the enter key here, it doesn't matter, but it gave you a second line to write in. And if you do that in some other places, it won't work out right. So the way to end, if you're done, is to click outside. And then it will come out right. And so that's adding text. And now inserting text, you click in the placeholder where you want to insert it. And we want to change this word education to training. I will double click on the word education because double clicking selects the word. Do you remember that from Word? Okay. And I will type through, just type. You don't have to press the delete key first or the backspace, just type training and it will cover over it. So that's all there is to that. While I'm here though, I could, if I wanted to, change, well, I don't like the size of this font. So I'm going to triple click on it to select the paragraph. Do you remember that? And I'm going to increase the font size. I like that better. Typically always on it's bigger, almost bigger than the title. Well, whatever. You would put your name and the date on a title slide typically, but that's not this lesson. And the other thing you can do is change the size of the placeholder. If you use one of the center, here's the center up and down, and this is the middle, and this is the center. You can change the size of the placeholder, just like a graphic in Word that we already did. Or if you use a diagonal, you can change both the way you want them to. It's only for that one slide though. If you wanted to do all of the slides, you go back to the design view, the master design view, and change it over there.